So this is just a quick video on the SystemSURE Plus ATP monitor system. Turn on. It's gonna do a countdown from 15 seconds, and when the countdown is done, the machine will be ready for use. This is my ATP right here. I've used it around this area. I've swabbed it, and so after you hear the beep, open it. Put the ATP in and hit OK. Another 15 seconds, and it's going to tell you if the area is clean or not. I think it's a reading of 50 or below will pass, and this one is good at 1. So, and then I have another ATP over here, another one over there, and another one over there. All of them are good. I just wanted to take a quick video on this SystemSURE Plus ATP monitor.